Well, of course, there's a lot of discussion nowadays about endocrine disrupting
Yeah,
chemicals. Right?
yeah.
There's a lot of chemicals in the environment that, yeah, that are not yet all tested for the endocrine disrupting features. And of course, the thyroid system, which is already very complicated at various levels. You already mentioned it's, there's various levels where it could go wrong. That's very sensitive to endocrine disruption. And yeah, and a lot of the chemicals that we use today, not all of them have been tested, so to say. So there are things like plasticides, flame retardants, food additives. Yeah, and there are some people who,
Yeah.
there are some associations with. There's actually, an increasing incidence of hypothyroidism, and there are researchers who link that potentially to the increased exposure that we have to those chemicals that may have endocrine disrupting features.
I would imagine, though, if I had to bet, and you can tell me if this is wrong or we know anything here in particular, but if I had to bet, I would say there's probably more risk that these things we're exposed to cause hypothyroidism because that would favor slower metabolism, fat gain, weight gain. We think that these environmental toxins and things probably are tipping the scales on average in favor of
Yes.
hypothyroidism.